Ready to unlock your English?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English channel. Learning English is fun and easy here. I am Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here with you today.
Yes, it is great to see you, Paul. How are you feeling today?
I am okay, thank you, but I am a little tired.
Oh, tired already? But it is only the afternoon.
I know. I had a very, very busy morning. And you, Emily, how are you?
I am great. I am very, very happy today. I have my favorite big warm coffee.
Coffee helps a lot. I have green tea. Green tea is very good too.
Yes, it is. Well, Paul, before we start our chat, we should welcome everyone.
Oh yes, good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
It really helps us make more podcasts. And please share this with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you. Okay, so Paul, today we are just talking, right?
Yes, today is just a real English conversation. Two friends talking.
I love that. Okay, so Mr. Tired, why are you so tired today?
Oh no, it is work. Work was very hard yesterday. Yesterday was a very long day.
Really? What happened at work?
We had a big meeting. A meeting with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team.
Oh, everyone? I do not like big meetings. They are so long.
Yes, so long. This meeting was 3 hours.
3 hours? Wow.
Yes, 3 hours of talking. The boss wants a new report, a very big report about numbers.
Ooh, numbers. I do not like numbers. I like words.
Me too, but he wants this big report on Friday.
Friday? But today is Tuesday. That is very fast.
I know, we are all very busy. The whole team is stressed.
Stressed? Oh no.
Yes, and there's a small problem. A problem with my colleagues. You know Tom?
Yes, I know Tom. He's tall, he is very loud, and very funny.
That is Tom. Well, Tom and Sara.
Sara? I do not know Sara.
Sara is new. She is very nice, but very quiet.
Oh, okay. Loud Tom and quiet Sara.
Exactly. And they must work together on this big report. Tom talks a lot, and Sara works very hard. She is very focused.
I see. Tom talks and Sara works.
Yes, and yesterday Sara was sad. She looked very down. She said, Tom is difficult.
Oh, that is hard. Work problems are the worst.
Yes, and I sit right between them. Yesterday, Tom ate lunch at his desk and Sara ate lunch at her desk. The office was too quiet.
I do not like that. Work is better with friends. What is your plan, Paul?
I have a good idea, but I need your help.
Okay, coffee. Buy them coffee.
Yes, I will buy coffee for Sara and coffee for Tom from the coffee shop on the corner with the big green sign.
Oh, yes. And Paul, they have good cookies there. Big chocolate cookies.
Cookies! You are very smart, Emily. A coffee and a cookie for Sara, a coffee and a cookie for Tom. I will do this at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Before lunch. I hope it works and they talk.
I hope so too. Okay, enough work talk. It makes me tired. Emily, you said you were very happy today. Is it just the coffee?
No, I have wonderful news. My best friend Maria.
Maria? Yes, I know her. She has long black hair and is very fun.
Yes, Maria is getting married.
Married? Wow, that is fantastic news. When is the wedding?
Next month.
Next month? That is very soon. Who is she marrying?
His name is Leo. He is very nice. He is a doctor. And Paul, the wedding is in a garden with lots of flowers and trees.
A garden wedding? That is beautiful. So you are excited?
I am excited, but I'm also stressed. I need a new dress for the wedding. A beautiful dress.
Shopping. Shopping is fun. Why are you stressed?
It is hard. What color? I like blue. Blue is a nice color. But Maria loves green.
What color are your eyes, Emily?
They are blue.
Then wear a blue dress. A blue dress is perfect.
Good idea, Paul. A long blue dress. But Paul, I am short. The dress will be on the floor.
Ah, you need a tailor, a person to make the dress short.
Yes, a tailor. First, I will buy the dress on Saturday at the big knoll. But shoes. I cannot wear high heels in the grass.
Oh, true. Heels in the garden are not good.
So I need flat shoes. Maybe silver flat shoes. And a small silver bag.
Yes, a long blue dress, silver flat shoes, and a silver bag. You have a perfect plan.
Thank you, Paul. Talking helps.
Where did Maria and Leo meet?
It is a very funny story. They met at the supermarket. Maria was buying red apples. Leo was buying oranges. Maria dropped her apples all over the floor.
Oh no, apples everywhere.
Yes, and Leo helped her. He picked up the apples. He looked at her and said, "Your apples are very red."
Your apples are red. That is like a movie.
Yes, she laughed and then they had coffee. And now, a wedding.
I love that story. Please show me a photo of your dress when you buy it.
I will. So, Paul, this week you have a big, boring report with Tom and Sara, and I have a fun wedding. What will you do on Friday night to relax?
On Friday night, I will go home, I will put on my comfortable blue pajamas, I will sit on my big red sofa, and I will order pepperoni pizza.
Ooh, pizza. I like just cheese pizza.
And I will watch a funny comedy movie. I need to laugh. What about you?
On Saturday night, Maria and I will have dinner. We will talk about the wedding and my new dress.
Where will you eat?
Luigi's, the small Italian restaurant. They have the best pasta.
Ah, I love Italian food. Pizza for me and pasta for you. What a good weekend.
Wow, Paul, look at the time.
Time flies when we talk. I feel much better, not so tired now.
Good, me too. Thank you everyone for listening to our real chat.
Yes, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. And answer our question in the comments below.
Yes, the question, what did you do yesterday? Or what will you do this weekend? Tell us in English.
We love reading your comments. See you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone. Yes. How are you today, Paul? Are you still tired?
No, I am not tired today. I feel very good. I am happy and relaxed.
Oh, that is wonderful news. So you had a good weekend?
I had a very good weekend. On Friday night, I went home. I put on my comfortable blue pajamas.
And you ate pepperoni pizza.
Yes, the pizza was delicious. And I watched a very funny movie. I laughed a lot.
That sounds like a perfect Friday. But wait, Paul, what about work? What about the big report?
Ah, the big report with all the numbers. It is finished.
Really? That is great. Did your plan work? The coffee and the cookies?
Yes, it worked perfectly. I gave a coffee and a big chocolate cookie to Sara, and I gave a coffee and a cookie to Tom.
And what happened? Did they talk?
They did. Tom said, "This is a very good cookie." And Sara smiled and said, "Yes, it is." Then they talked about the work. They worked together all afternoon.
Wow, cookies fix everything.
They really do. We finished the report on Friday. My boss, Mr. Henderson, was very happy.
I am so happy for you, Paul. No more office stress.
No more stress. Now, Emily, what about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy. I went shopping at the big mall on Saturday.
Ah, shopping for Maria's wedding. Did you find a dress?
I did. I found a beautiful dress, a long blue dress, just like we planned.
A long blue dress. That is great. But does it fit? You said you were short.
It is a little too long. It touches the floor. So I am taking it to the tailor tomorrow. The tailor will make it short.
Good idea. And the shoes, did you find silver flat shoes?
Oh, Paul, the shoes were a big problem. I looked in 5 different shops. 5 shops.
5 shops? That is a lot of walking.
Yes, I could not find silver flat shoes anywhere.
Oh no, what did you do?
I bought white shoes, simple white flat shoes. They are very comfortable for walking in the garden.
White shoes are very nice too, A long blue dress and white shoes, you will look beautiful.
Thank you. And Saturday night, dinner at Luigi's was wonderful. Maria was so happy. We ate a lot of pasta.
It sounds like we both had a great weekend.
Yes, we did. Well, that is all the time we have for our chat today.
Thank you everyone for listening to English Unlocked. We love practicing English with you.
Yes, thank you. And we have a new question for you today.
Ooh, a question. What is it, Emily?
Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite food to eat on the weekend?
Oh, good question. For me, it is pizza. What is it for you? Write your answer in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Unlocked. We are so happy you are here. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone learning English with us today.
It is a beautiful day today, Paul. The sun is shining. The weather is very warm.
Yes, the weather is perfect. I love sunny days. Are you still happy, Emily?
I am very happy. And I am a little tired today.
Tired? Why are you tired? Did you work hard?
No work. I am tired because of the wedding. Maria and Leo's wedding was this weekend.
Oh, the wedding. Yes. How was it? Tell me everything.
It was wonderful. It was the most beautiful wedding.
Was it in the garden with trees and flowers?
Yes, a big garden. There were so many flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, and big pink roses everywhere. It smelled so good.
That sounds lovely. And the weather? Was it sunny?
Well, in the morning it was very sunny, but in the afternoon during the wedding, it rained.
Oh no, rain in the garden? That is not good.
It was okay. It was just a little rain, very soft rain for 5 minutes. Maria's mother said rain on a wedding day is very good luck.
Ah, good luck. That is nice. Did Maria look beautiful?
She looked like a princess. She wore a long white dress, and Leo wore a black suit. They looked very happy. They smiled all day.
I'm so glad. And what about you, Emily? Your long blue dress?
The blue dress was perfect. The tailor did a great job. It was short, so it did not touch the grass.
And your new white shoes?
The flat white shoes were perfect for dancing. We danced for 3 hours. That is why I'm tired today. My feet hurt a little, but it was fun.
Dancing is great exercise. Did they have good food?
Oh yes, so much food. We had chicken, big green salads, and fresh bread. And the cake. Paul, the cake was huge, 3 pieces tall. It was chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate and vanilla cake. My favorite.
And at the end of the night, Maria and Leo drove away to go on their honeymoon.
Oh, nice. Where did they go?
They went to the beach for 1 week, and they left the party in a very beautiful car, a big white Mercedes car.
A white Mercedes car. Very fancy.
Yes, it had flowers all over it. It was a perfect day. But enough about the wedding, Paul. How was your weekend? Did you sit on your red sofa and eat pizza?
Well, Emily, I wanted to eat pizza, but I said, no, Paul, you must be healthy.
Oh, healthy Paul. That is new. What did you do?
I decided to cook. I wanted to be a chef. I bought chicken, potatoes, and carrots. I wanted to make a big, healthy dinner in the oven.
That sounds delicious, Paul. You are a good cook.
No, Emily, I am a very bad cook.
Oh no, what happened?
I put the chicken and the vegetables in the oven. The oven was very hot. Then I went to the living room, I sat on my comfortable red sofa, and I turned on the TV.
You watched a movie?
Yes, I started watching a very interesting movie about animals. I watched the animals for 1 hour. I forgot about the kitchen.
Paul, you forgot the oven?
Yes, suddenly I smelled something bad, a very bad smell. I ran to the kitchen. There was smoke everywhere.
Smoke? Oh my goodness. Was there a fire?
No, fire, thank goodness, but a lot of gray smoke. I opened all the windows, I opened the door, I took the food out of the oven.
How how was the chicken?
The chicken was black, completely black, and very hard. The potatoes were black too. It was ruined.
Oh, Paul, that is so funny, but also so sad. Your healthy dinner.
I know. I was very hungry, and my house smelled like bad smoke.
So, what did you eat for dinner?
I closed the windows, I sat on my sofa, and I ordered a large pepperoni pizza.
I knew it, you and your pepperoni pizza.
Yes, pizza never burns. The pizza man cooks it perfectly.
Well, next time you want to be healthy, maybe make a cold salad, no oven.
Yes, good idea. Salads are safe. No more cooking chicken for me.
We have such funny weekends, Paul.
We do. Okay, look at the clock. It is time to say goodbye.
Yes, time goes so fast. Thank you to everyone listening to English Unlocked today. We hope you learned some new words.
Yes, thank you. And now it is time for our question of the day.
Ooh, I have a good question. Tell us in the comments, are you a good cook or a bad cook?
Good question. Do you cook delicious food or do you burn the chicken like me? Tell us your funny cooking stories in English.
We can't wait to read your comments. Please like the video, subscribe to English Unlocked, and share this with your friends.
See you next time, everyone. Bye, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.